Hey everyone, we're here of course at Apex Expo 2019 and I'm hanging out right now on the WESSCO booth with Nick and Petros from WESSCO. Thanks so much for having us here, guys.
Thank you for having us.
Thanks.
Wicked, wicked. Now you guys, not you guys, but WESSCO is turning 40 this year, which is quite serendipitous because Apex Expo is also 40 this year. So what are you doing to celebrate that anniversary?
Well, yeah, this is our 40th year in business. My father started the company in '79, and we did a co-branding bag for the show, celebrating the Apex's 40th year and WESSCO's 40th year in business.
Nice bag, nice
yeah,
bag.
super nice.
Yeah. Okay, so how have you guys seen the industry change and evolve over that time, or at least over the last few years?
We see that everything has become much more sophisticated.
Yeah.
Airlines are looking a lot more to innovate. And we see a lot of new trends in the space. WESSCO has always prided itself on being the company that matches the world's best brands with the travel space in a way that makes the traveler's journey better. And we see now a lot of interest in wellness. And of course, the talk of the show is sustainability.
Right, sustainability and wellness, two huge trends. So how do you guys match a brand with an airline? Obviously, you really want their sort of ideals to align. You can't just put any brand and any airline working together, right?
That's right. So we are constantly meeting with our airline partners all over the world, learning a lot about what makes them different and what are the trends that they're really trying to plug into. At the same time, through our headquarters in Los Angeles and our brand and design studio in New York City and some of our global offices, we're constantly plugged into the zeitgeist of what's going on in the world of brands and trends. And as we're kind of organically flowing through these two worlds, we find little opportunities of what makes the best match.
Cool.
Yeah.
Sounds exciting.
Cool. Yeah.
Sounds exciting. All right. And this week you made an announcement with a partner called Octaspring, which
That's right.
some of our viewers may be familiar with already from the aircraft interior space, actually.
That's
Can you
right.
talk a little bit about the nature of your partnership with them?
Well, we've created a bedding set with them, so to go beyond what they're doing in the seats and offer that same technology now for people to sleep better and for airlines to buy it as bedding supplies.
Hi, my name is Eva. I'm from Vanema. We are exclusive Octaspring technology developers for the aviation industry. We are bringing this new technology to the aviation industry to bring more comfort, bring weight savings, and more sustainable solutions for aircraft seats, for mattresses. Today we have partnered with WESSCO International, the specialists in airline beddings, to create a new collection featuring this technology, which will bring a completely new customer experience with more comfort, better thermoregulation, so better airflow, better, cooler sleep experience, and also weight savings and sustainable solution.